Hi. How often do you pass by someone on the street or in a store without even acknowledging their presence? What if a simple hi could change that? Imagine a world where a friendly greeting can make a difference in someone's day. Well, that's exactly what we're striving for with the Hi Project. Connecting the world through simple greetings. It's amazing how such a small word can have such a big impact. It breaks down barriers, builds connection, and creates a sense of belonging. A hi can bring people together, no matter their background, culture, or language. It's a universal language that everyone understands. So, we're encouraging you to break the ice, to go out there and say hi to someone you've never met before. You never know, that greeting could be the start of a beautiful friendship or a life-changing connection. The Hi Project aims to spread positivity, foster inclusion, and promote kindness in our communities. So go ahead, take the first step, and say hi. Together, let's connect the world through simple greetings. Thank you for watching this video and being a part of our mission. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Let's make the world a friendlier place, one hi at a time.